In this video, I will show how to set up a blank course. To add any feature, the first step is to click the plus sign on the course menu in the left-hand side of the screen. The first thing I would like to add is an announcements area. Announcements, like discussions, student grades, and other items, are considered to be a tool in Blackboard, so I will click Create Tool Link. I will name it Announcements. And Announcements is already selected from this drop-down menu, but if it weren't, I could just click it and select Announcements from the menu that appears. Because I would like it to be available to students right away, I will select the Available to Users box. If I were to choose to keep it hidden from students, I could go back and make it available whenever I choose. Now I will click Submit. Announcements now appears in my course menu. But as you can see, it is empty. So I will create a new announcement by clicking Create Announcement. I will enter in the title under Subject. And then write a message. I will choose to make it not date restricted. This way it will show up the entire semester. You can also choose for it to appear for only a specific part of the semester. If you wish, you could also choose for the announcements to be sent to students as an email. When finished, click Submit. The announcement now appears in the Announcements page. Now, I'd like to add a content area. I will click on the plus sign again, but this time select Create Content Area. I will name it Unit 1, and this time I will choose to keep it hidden from students until I have finished creating it. Within this content area, a few of the things I can choose to do are add an item, link a file, video, or image, add a folder, or add a test or an assessment. I will add an item under Build Content. Items provide text and information that is immediately visible without the need to open a file. I'll enter an overview message here and click Submit. Next, I will use Build Content to add a folder. I will name this folder Chapter 1. Within the folder, I can add all the same content as I could in the content area. Here, I will link the Chapter 1 PowerPoint by clicking Build Content and then selecting File. Once uploaded, I can rename my PowerPoint anything I would like. I'll name it Chapter 1 PowerPoint. And I will select for it to open in a new window. Now I will click Submit. The PowerPoint now appears in the folder. Now that I am finished creating this content area, I would like it to be available to students. I will find Unit 1 in the course menu and click on the double arrow to the right of it. From the drop-down menu that appears, I will select Show Link. The students will now be able to view this content area. Next, I will add a discussion section. Going back to the plus sign, I will select Create Tool Link again. This time, I will name it Discussions and select Discussion Board from the drop-down menu. I will make it available to students. To create a discussion area, I will select Create Forum. I will title it and give it a description. This will be a graded discussion, so I will select Grade Discussion Forum and give it a point value of 10. Now I will select Submit. Students can now enter this discussion and create threads with their responses. Now I would like to add an email application so I can easily send emails through CSS Gmail to all students in the course or to individual students from within Blackboard. Again, I will go to the plus sign and select Create Tool Link. I will select Email and title it Send CSS Email. I will make it available to users. From here, both instructors and students can easily send emails. Finally, I'd like to add a My Grades section. Using the plus sign and Create Course tool yet again, I will select My Grades. Using this link, students will easily be able to access their grades for this course. Note that because I am not a student in this course, the link will not be helpful to me and is not where I'd go to access the gradebook. Now that I am finished adding content to my course, I would like to make the course available to students. Under the Control panel on the left-hand side of the screen, I will select Customization. From the drop-down menu that opens, I will select Properties. Under Section 3, Set Availability, I will select Yes to make the course available to users. Now I will click Submit. The course is now available for students to see and enter.